What's up, everybody? We are in Folsom, California today, and this customer is worried about rodents coming in, and they currently have the bottom seal on their door. But we are going to come in and put a threshold seal down along the bottom here. Actually goes this way. That way we can seal this edges over here a little bit better, and the door compresses and has a tight seal so nothing can get in or out. So stay tuned and check out how we do it.